around about the end of last year, Intel introduced their latest processor, aka Meteor Lake, which quickly built up a bunch of hype and expectations. They were designed to be more energy efficient than their predecessors, come with better built-in graphics, and most importantly, they included neural processing units, or NPUs, as we've heard so much about recently. So as expected, there were a bunch of OEM devices that came kitted out with these new chipsets, including the new Omen Transcend 14 gaming laptop from HP. And they were kind enough to send one over to me, which has the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H processor. And even for a base model, this processor is pretty powerful, with 16 cores made up of 6 performance cores, 8 efficient cores, and 2 low power efficient cores, and 22 threads, enabling this gaming laptop to handle the most demanding tasks effortlessly. It has a max clock speed of up to 4.8 gigahertz, but if you want even more speed and responsiveness, you can upgrade to the Core Ultra 9 185H processor, which speeds it up to about 5.1 gigahertz. HP also added a high-performance discrete graphics card from NVIDIA to power you through your multi-hour gaming sessions. And you can choose between an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, RTX 4060, and RTX 4070 GPUs. And this one has the RTX 4060, so it can comfortably run games at over 60 FPS at 1080p. And it's not all about gaming. It's also great for tasks like video editing, content creation, data processing, basically an all-rounder. So working on several different projects at once is a nightmare even at the best of times, but having multiple desktops on your screen can make it easier to manage everything. Windows 11 helps to improve the appearance of multiple desktops for more hassle-free task management. This allows you to separate your tasks into different places, which is perfect if you need to multitask. Assigning a desktop for each project you're working on can make it less overwhelming to look at your screen. So rather than flicking through a never-ending collection of browser tabs or clicking between tools and apps, now you can just switch desktops to keep everything in its own place. With Windows 11, you can customize the backgrounds for each desktop and rename them based on their functions. Customizing your desktops can help you differentiate them with ease when you need to flip through your screens. Multiple desktops also makes it easier to separate work matters from personal activities like entertainment, like watching Netflix and things like that, and even games as well, to help you stay focused when you need to work. So what does all this mean for you? Well, HP believe that the Omen Transcend 14 gaming laptop will truly make your gaming experience extraordinary. The CPU and the GPU work together to handle even the most demanding AAA titles without dropping frames or stuttering. And if you play games like Cyberpunk, Battlefield, anything like that, which support ray tracing and deep learning super sampling or DLSS, you'll benefit from seeing stunning visuals and realistic shadows, giving you that realistic aspect that gamers are familiar with on high power systems. For graphic designers and video editors, the Omen 14 aims to boost your productivity. The GPU uses AI to accelerate tasks such as editing images and running video editing applications like Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve quite smoothly, saving time doing the more mundane stuff so you have more time to focus on creativity. Additionally, if you make a lot of video calls for work or school, that's not going to be an issue either. It leverages its NPUs to do things like blur backgrounds, track your eyes more accurately during calls, and has enhanced noise suppression capabilities. The Omen 14 Transcend gaming laptop boasts a stunning 14-inch diagonal display with a 2.8K or 2880 by 1800 resolution that ensures every image, every video, and game is presented with exceptional sharpness and fidelity for a genuine immersive experience. Now, HP have constructed the panels using OLED technology for a better visual experience. Now, these panels allow the display to control each pixel individually, resulting in superior contrast, color accuracy, and energy efficiency when compared to standard LED screens. So whether you're binge watching your favorite shows or gaming, every scene is going to be displayed with stunning realism. You can enjoy your content from any angle without sacrificing image quality or color accuracy, thanks to its ultra-wide viewing angle or UWVA design And with HDR 500 nit certification, you'll get a level of brightness that reveals every nuance, even in the darkest shadows, for proper lifelike scenes. And say goodbye to things like motion blur, lag, and ghosting, even when playing fast-paced games or rendering high-definition videos. It boasts a really high refresh rate of 120 Hz and an ultra-low 0.2 millisecond response time, ensuring those proper fluid visuals. Plus, with the low blue light technology that HP has incorporated into this device, your eyes are going to thank you for the reduced strain and fatigue during those extended gaming or work sessions. Now, it should go without saying that HP have crafted this device with users who are often on the go in mind. It's designed to be sleek, minimalistic, so it blends in seamlessly in different environments. It's quite compact, measuring just 12.32 by 9.16 by 0.67 inches, and it weighs only 3.6 pounds. That is a surprisingly lightweight for something that's a gaming laptop. You can easily fit it into a bag and move with it if you're in a bit of a hurry, or even just carrying it around feels more like carrying like a tablet PC-ish. But make no mistake, the Omen 14 is still a powerful laptop, capable of juggling multiple tasks at the same time. It's pretty tough too. It has a sturdy chassis with an aluminium body that you can get in either shadow black, which is this one right here, or you can also get that in ceramic white. They've utilized recycled materials when constructing certain parts of the laptop, contributing to HP's way of working towards a more sustainable future. For instance, the speaker enclosures and bezels are made from ocean-bound plastic materials, and even the keyboard frame and the hinge caps contain recycled metals. Make sure you tune in next week for part 2 of this video, where we have a look at a few more of the specialized features of this gaming laptop, things like the advanced cooling technology, the Omen Gaming Hub, and we'll have a bit more of a deeper dive into that fancy new looking keyboard.